Good day, everyone. My name is Armando Junior V. Gramatica from the Mid A, and let's talk about refrigeration cycle. First, this cycle have four main important parts. First, compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator. First, to easy to know this cycle, I will divide vertically and horizontally. This upper part of this refrigeration cycle is before refrigerant. Then this lower side is liquid refrigerant. Then also this side is high pressure refrigerant. And this side is high pressure refrigerant. And two state of refrigerant is before and liquid. This is a two high pressure. This side is low pressure. Low pressure. First, we're gonna do. Let's start the cycle. First, going to inlet suction of compressor. The refrigerant, the refrigerant, the refrigerant is low pressure, low temperature before refrigerant. In this compressor, the compressor compressed the low pressure, low temperature before refrigerant. Then the compressor discharges the refrigerant. Then the refrigerant is going to high pressure, high temperature, high pressure, high pressure, high temperature before refrigerant. And going to the inlet of condenser, the condenser is reject the heat of the refrigerant. And the refrigerant going outside in this condenser, the refrigerant going to high pressure, high temperature liquid refrigerant. And the refrigerant going the high pressure, high temperature liquid refrigerant in going into the inlet of expansion valve. The expansion valve the expansion valve was decrease the high temperature, high pressure refrigerant going to low temperature, low pressure liquid refrigerant. Then the expansion valve discharge the low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant going to capillary tube. To inlet of evaporator. The refrigerant going into inlet evaporator is low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant. Then this pan she is the one who going to call the tube of this tube. Then the evaporator just discharge low pressure, low temperature before refrigerant, because if evaporator discharge liquid refrigerant, the compressor will be born if the evaporator was discharged liquid refrigerant. So that the evaporator only discharge before refrigerant to compress the good compression of compressor. And thank you very much for listening.